Every BMW is crafted to exceed the expectations of its first owner and every owner thereafter. It comes with impressive 0 to 60 acceleration. It has near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution for superb handling. It features benchmark braking, but if the glove box won't stay closed, it can't be a certified pre-owned BMW. Because with BMW, only the best of the best qualify to be certified pre-owned. Certification is awarded only to those vehicles that meet our demanding standards and pass a stringent process. Owners of certified BMWs receive comprehensive roadside assistance and extensive warranty benefits with our certified pre-owned protection plan. Ask your BMW client advisor about current certified pre-owned inventory and special offers. A BMW is a BMW for life.